Which Mughal ruler established karkhanas for painting? Answer is option C, Akbar. I am the enemy of those who are enemies of painting. Which Mughal ruler said? Answer is option C, Jahangir. I have sold my kingdom to my beloved wife for a cup of wine and a cup of broth. Which statement is this? Answer is option B, Jahangir. Which ruler of Amer was given the title of Farjand by Akbar? Answer is option A, Man Singh. The Treaty of Chittor was signed between Mughals and Rana of Mewar under the rule of which ruler? Answer is option B, Jahangir. Time did Kandahar go out of the hands of the Mughals forever? Answer is option D, Jahangir. The Mughal emperor who issued 12 ordinances after becoming the ruler was? Answer is option C, Jahangir. In the context of the Mughal dynasty, the prince who made the first attempt to attain the post of emperor while his father was? Answer is option A, Jahangir. To whom did Akbar give the title of Kanthabharan Vilas? Answer is option D, Tansen. The Hesala settlement is related to? Answer is option B, Todarmal. Who killed Abul Fazl on the instructions of Jahangir? Answer is option A, Veer Singh Bundela. To whom did Akbar give the title of Kavirai, Kaviraj? Answer is option C, Birbal. Which among the following scholars in the Mughal court alleged that Akbar was an enemy of Islam? Answer is option B, Badayuni. Which was last victory expedition of Akbar? Answer is option B, Asirgarh Fort War. Which campaign of Akbar did Smith call a historic fast-moving campaign? Answer is option C, Gujarat campaign. With which victory did Akbar start the expansion of the empire? Answer is option D, Malwa. Responsible for Parda rule 1560-64 AD, the most prominent member of Atka Khel or Haramdal was? Answer is option B, Maham Anga. When did Akbar's patron Bairam Khan fall? Answer is option A, 1560 AD. Hamida Banu Begum was? Answer is option A, Akbar's mother's name. Which Mughal emperor was born in the palace of Raja Veersal of Amarkot? Answer is option C, Akbar. The Purana Kila at Delhi was constructed in the reign of blank. Answer is option B, Sher Shah. Military commanders during the rule of Akbar were known as blank. Answer is option D, Faujdars. The loss of Kandahar was a big blow to the Mughal Empire from the viewpoint of? Answer is option C, strategic stronghold. Akbar's main objective behind the Haldi Ghati war was? Answer is option A, bringing Rana Pratap under his control. Which of the following forts or monuments had been constructed by Akbar? Answer is option B, Diwan-e-Khas. Which of the following facts is not helpful in proving Akbar as a national emperor? Answer is option A, Akbar renounced Islam. Who built the famous Jama Masjid of Delhi? Answer is option B, Shah Jahan. The Persian translation of the Mahabharata was done during the time of Akbar under whose direction? Answer is option B, Faizi. After becoming the Mughal ruler in India, Zahiruddin Muhammad adopted the name. Answer is option D, Babar. Aurangzeb is responsible for the death of which Sikh Guru? Answer is option B, Guru Tegh Bahadur. The term Sarkar in Mughal administration stands for? Answer is option C, district. Relation between Gulbadan Begum and Babar was of? Answer is option A, daughter and father. The concept of Sulh-e-Kul, universal peace and brotherhood, adopted by Akbar was based on which of the following? Answer is option D, all of the above. Which of the following ladies wrote an historical account during the Mughal period? Answer is option D, Gulbadan Begum. Who among the following was the greatest painter of animals and birds in the court of Jahangir? Answer is option B, Mansoor. Akbar's Deen-e-Ilahi was called as a monument of his folly, not of wisdom, by which writer? Answer is option C, Vincent Smith. Which historian called Deen-e-Ilahi, propounded by Akbar, a religion? Answer is option A, Abul Fazl. During which of the following Mughal emperors' rule the number of Hindus employed by the emperor's administration was the highest? Answer is option D, Aurangzeb. Which among the following is called the second Taj Mahal? Answer is option A, tomb of Rabia Ud-Dawrani. Whom did the Mughals take the festival of Nowruz? Answer is option C, Parsi. Who among the following Mughal emperors wrote his autobiography in Persian? Answer is option B, Jahangir. Two of the following states which Aurangzeb had conquered in Deccan were blank. Answer is option C, Bijapur and Golconda. Which was the first Rajput royal family to have matrimonial alliance with the Mughals? Answer is option C, from Kachwahas. Who was the last Mughal emperor of India? Answer is option D, Bahadur Shah Zafar. The map of which building made by Akbar is like a Buddhist vihara? Answer is option B, Panch Mahal. Which Mughal emperor was known as Jinda Pir? Answer is option D, Aurangzeb. What was the root of the dispute between the Shah of Iran and Mughal rulers? Answer is option C, Kandahar. What was Jawabit? Answer is option B, secular law. What was the main reason for Babur's victory in the Battle of Panipat? Answer is option C, his military prowess. Who was the last Mughal emperor to sit on the peacock throne? Answer is option D, Muhammad Shah Rangila.